और ऐसे ही आपका भी खुद का रीज़न हो सकता है कि आपको क्यों जर्मनी में पढ़ना है. जर्मनी इसलिए आना है बिकॉज फ्री एजुकेशन है. देयर हैज़ टू बी समथिंग सब्सटैंशियल. नौकरी करने उतरोगे तब आपको एम्प्लॉयर्स को आंसर देना पड़ेगा, एंड पीपल विल कॉल योर बुलशिट इफ यू आर मेकिंग अप अ स्टोरी. यू नीड टू हैव समथिंग रियली. Alright, guys, so yeah, welcome back once again. I'm here in Jena, sitting here with students who are currently studying in Ernst Abbe, and you studying in FSU. What's the full form of FSU?
It's Friedrich Schiller University,
Okay, और
Yeah.
येना एक्चुअली एयरफील्ड के बहुत पास है, अराउंड व्हाट 30 मिनट्स,
35 minutes.
30-35 मिनट्स की दूरी पे. हम आज इनके साथ बात करने वाले हैं थोड़े बहुत लाइफ प्रायर टू कमिंग टू जर्मनी,
Yeah.
उसके बारे में भी, बिकॉज तीनों जन ने अपना खुद का एप्लीकेशन करके आए हुए हैं. अभी इनको करीबन 2 साल हो गए हैं यहाँ रहते हुए.
Almost होने को आया है.
Almost होने को आए. So you've seen Germany 2 years back, and what you're seeing Germany today in 2024. So before I start with my questions, how about we just go around of background of yours?
I'm Tarun Chaudhary. I'm from Maharashtra, India. My academic background is I'm a batch engineer by profession. I'm instrumentation and control engineer. Done my bachelor's from Manipal Institute of Technology. My grades were around 8.06 CGPA, which roughly translates to 2.2 in German grade, and that's been my background.
Hello, so I'm Trija Nag Chaudhary and I'm from Kolkata and I did my bachelor's in zoology from Calcutta University and my grades were 8.176 in bachelor's. Yeah.
So my name is Jash Shah. I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Mumbai, and currently I am doing masters in scientific instrumentation in Ernst Abbe Hochschule. And and my grades were around 8.2 something CGPA.
Right. If you were to highlight 2 things that you don't like about Germany, 2 साल के experience में बताओ, इतना तो रह ही लियो. And they have to be like so strong, like that you would probably leave.
One is the banking system. It's slow. Like in case you're transferring money from one bank to another bank, it will take a longer period. On Saturdays and Sundays, your transactions won't get updated. And coming from India, like when the digitalization was starting, I was there, and after experiencing that, that is one of the major like reason that why I might leave Germany. Also, the courier or the transport system, delivery system, that still needs to be improved, because after coming from like living a comfort of getting things at the tap of your finger, and then now waiting for it to be delivered might take days or weeks. That's also one of the things that I hate over here.
So yeah, of course, that would be my first thing. And my second thing would be there's a lot of bureaucracy. I mean, it's kind of good and also bad in a way, but I feel it's at times a lot to do at times, because if you have to apply for your like visa extension or something at the university or do anything like with your house or anything, you have to go through a lot of processes, and then you have to file a lot of papers, go through a lot of like people to do your work done, and it also takes a lot of time. So I feel that might be my reason.
Okay.
First thing is about the taxation. Like,
Bro hit the point.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So like, after earning around like 70,000 to 80,000, if you have to pay 40% in tax, then I will definitely go back to my country. And apart from that, the internet services, like there are very limited internet services and you have to pay very much money for that. So telecom is also not that good.
But तू 70,000 यूरो कमा तो रहा है,
No.
उससे इंटरनेट नहीं चल पाएगा.
But still.
Okay, but like just jokes aside, but I just want to know, like, अगर ये problems इतनी strong है, so what is holding you back, like here?
I came here to do my masters. I don't have a short plan to stay here and work or something. And while comparing my prospects for doing a master, it's a good education system. It's a fruitful education system. Eventually, the amount that I would have spent in India for my masters, I'm spending more or less the same amount here. And like you've done your I've done my bachelor's from one of the top institutes in India. And while doing my masters abroad, it's a new experience. And this experience will also open multiple doors for me in a professional life, where on my resume I can write a global education. I have a global degree, right? So that's been one of the driving force for me to come to Germany and do my masters.
So you said like टैक्सेस आर हाई बट
Yeah.
लाइक बहुत सारे लोग फिर डिबेट करते हैं कि यार ब्रो क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ भी तो कुछ होती है लाइफ में, राइट? भले तू टैक्स दे रहा है 40% बट लुक एट द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, लुक एट ऑल द अदर थिंग्स, राइट? तेरे लिए वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है या फॉर यू इज जस्ट लाइक यू थिंक इट डिफरेंटली?
Yeah, the thing is like अगर क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ अच्छी है बट सेविंग्स कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, देन व्हाट्स द यूज?
वाओ, ओके.
यू आर गेटिंग ओनली हाफ पार्ट ऑफ योर सैलरी एंड हाफ इज गोइंग फॉर टैक्स, एंड फिर वो हाफ में से सिर्फ नॉर्मल तुम्हारा लाइफ चल रहा है, नथिंग इज सेविंग एंड यू कांट एक्सपेरिमेंट समथिंग एल्स
Yeah.
विच यू हैव फ्रीडम टू डू दैट इन इंडिया.
Yeah, I mean like I think just to bring an example in this case would be because मैं देखता हूँ कि लोग यहाँ पर जैसे कि जो पैसा आ रहा है उससे फिर आपको यहाँ का खर्चा भी चलाना है and what you end up getting in a hand is like very little,
या
right? तेरा मेन कंसर्न वो है जो बच रहा है हाथ में
हाँ, लाइक
सब कुछ देने के बाद.
yeah, because मेरा planning, like what I planned, like I want to start something of my own and for that I need money in my hand and which I can't save it here.
So ऐसे तो जैसे कि देख जैसे 2024 में बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं. In the coming years people are still coming. Like Germany is at peak right now. There's like a huge wave of students coming because Canada में scene हो गया है, right?
Yes.
तो फिर वो लोग जब ये सब सुनेंगे तो तेरे को लगता है कि वो मोटिवेट होंगे, डिमोटिवेट हो जाएंगे तेरे को सुन के?
डिपेंड्स, अगर उनको यहाँ पे आके सेटल होना है एंड दे वांट टू लाइक वर्क इन अ कॉर्पोरेट, सो इधर का कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर बहुत अच्छा है, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस बहुत सही है. सो अगर हाँ, and यहाँ का मतलब इंडस्ट्रीज भी बहुत है यहाँ पे एंड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी अभी बहुत इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, सो उनके लिए मतलब वो बेनिफिशियल पॉइंट है, बट अगर मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से मेरे लिए वो यूज नहीं है उसका.
राइट. यू सेड लाइक वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस यहाँ का अच्छा है, राइट?
Yeah.
बट जो मैं 8 घंटा काम करके आता हूँ घर पे, बट काम तो मेरे को सारा अपने आप से करना पड़ रहा है एंड देयर इज नो डोमेस्टिक हेल्प, राइट? सो बेसिकली द इनफ टाइम व्हाट यू वेर एबल टू मेक नाउ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू डूइंग थिंग्स अराउंड डोमेस्टिक हेल्प में जो भी है. डू यू सी दैट एज ओके, ठीक है मेरे को चलेगा वो चीज़, या
Okay, so personally, I'll talk about myself. So I'm a student right now, and I'm doing my thesis and my like Hivi part-time job at Max Plan. And I have like very flexible hours, and I can go 24/7 anytime. I just need to fulfill my work hours, and that's it. So for me, I have a brilliant like work-life balance because I can go anytime. I can work my part and then come back, and then I can spend the rest of the day doing my stuffs. And also like I mean personally again I like cooking. So yeah, so it's not a task for me to cook or to kind of feed myself or my friends at times. So for me it's kind of very balanced and
राइट?
chill.
बट लाइक हम सिर्फ कुकिंग की बात नहीं कर रहे, लाइक घर साफ करना, बाकी के और भी चीज़ें टेक केयर करना.
Yeah, I get it. But it's like again, I mean, we don't do laundry every day, or we don't like go clean or sweep every day. So it's like you have to make a plan, like a schedule, and then you have to follow it. And then once you're doing it for 1 and 2 months, it gets into you, and you don't feel like you're doing anything, task or something like that. So
Okay.
that's how it works. For
Is this
me.
how you view it? What's your point of view on life, work-life balance यहाँ पर?
Everyone has his own perspective regarding it, right?
Right.
Like when you said that in India you would have maids to share your workload, you don't have to look after the house. You can always like get house helps and all. But again, यहाँ पे भी like to get something you'll have to sacrifice it. If you need like in India, if you're working, there's always a fear that your manager might call up late after post hours or on a holiday and ask you to work. That won't be that I haven't seen that. I don't know if it exists or not, but I haven't seen that here.
बट तू लार्जली तू ये कह रहा है कि सारी कंपनीज इंडिया में ये करते हैं?
Majority at the moment.
यू थिंक सो?
I think like जितना मैंने देखा है majority जितना मैंने like
Okay.
comparatively you have a better work life, but then it again depends कि how you define it. मतलब हर किसी का definition अलग है ना.
राइट.
I mean जैसे मेरे को खाना बनाना पसंद नहीं है तो मेरे लिए वो एक task है. I have few friends who love cooking.
राइट.
So for them it's not a task, it's not that something. अगर मैं इंडिया में मेड रख रहा हूँ तो वो नहीं रखेगा क्योंकि उसको खाना बनाना पसंद है. तो ये जो डे टू डे इश्यूज है ये अगेन पर्सपेक्टिव पे आ जाता है कि आपको पसंद है कि नहीं पसंद. आपके लिए वो टास्क है और यू डू like something. तो अगेन it will change with everyone's perspective. Like for me it's like कि it's okay. I mean the task that you're talking like post work 8 घंटे का मेरा काम खत्म करके मैं घर आ गया, लेकिन जो काम है वो मैं इंडिया में भी कर रहा था विदाउट हाउस हेल्प, यहाँ पे भी मैं वही कर रहा हूँ. सो इट्स सेम फॉर मी, बट वही है ना कि हर किसी का एक नजरिया अलग होगा एंड हर किसी के लिए लाइक प्रोज एंड कॉन्स की लिस्ट भी अलग होगी, तो इट विल वेरी विद पर्सन.
So if you were to conclude this discussion in like एक दो पॉइंट में, what's the takeaway for somebody especially जो first time घर छोड़ के abroad आने वाले हैं? Everything is going to be super new for them to handle these things and to process कि अरे यार ऐसा भी होता है या ये सब सोचना पड़ रहा है. जैसे कि ये इसने बताया टैक्स इतना ज़्यादा है, मतलब मैं नहीं रहूँगा because at the end of the day for him money matters, like, right, like it's important because you want to start something और उसके लिए पैसा चाहिए, right? What's a takeaway right now?
If I were to give one takeaway from this conversation is like, first you have to decide your priorities. Is it for the lifestyle? Is it for the euro exposure? Is it for the global exposure? Then he should also be aware कि even after coming here, there are some things that he'll have to do. He has to manage his money, his expenses, his life, house, घर खाना खुद बनाना है या बाहर खाना है. I would like suggest him to list everything down and फिर ask him to weigh accordingly क्या ज़्यादा important. If it requires like a sacrifice for a shorter period of time that you have to go through a lot of things, but eventually his priorities and his aspirations are being fulfilled and he seems that it's a right fit, I guess he should go ahead with.
I think we'll leave it on this point. I think it makes sense because for each they have their own journey, and I think we all also come with our own strengths and likings and dislikings, and I think it's important to have such conversations openly because not everything is in hunky dory here, right? And but some people wouldn't agree with what you said, right? Like उनको ऐसा लगा कि नहीं मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है इधर, like I'm enjoying my European lifestyle, थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा बच रहा है वो भी ठीक है, मतलब I mean I've had debates, multiple debates on this, right? Like हम लोग बैठ के ये सारी बातें करते हैं. Now that I've stayed here for more than a decade, my friends are like तू तो इतने साल से रह रहा है, right? Like what is your reason to stay here? मेरा reason is very clear that I'm interested in startups and I'm enjoying that lifestyle, यूरोपियन लाइफस्टाइल, राइट? बट हो सकता है तुम्हारे लिए ये रेजोनेट ना करे, और ऐसी आपका भी खुद का रीज़न हो सकता है कि आपको क्यों जर्मनी में पढ़ना है. फ्री एजुकेशन इज़ नॉट अ रीज़न बाय द वे, राइट? कि मेरे को जर्मनी इसलिए आना है बिकॉज फ्री एजुकेशन है. आई थिंक देयर हैज़ टू बी समथिंग सब्सटैंशियल, लाइक आप ग्रेजुएट बहुत जल्दी हो जाओगे, नौकरी करने उतरोगे, तब आपको एम्प्लॉयर्स को आंसर देना पड़ेगा एंड पीपल विल कॉल योर बुलशिट इफ यू आर मेकिंग अप अ स्टोरी. You need to have something really strong and substantial. With that being said, if you've made it till here, hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.